Hey, Jeff here, and I came back out to Clifton Gorge and Bryan for a little bit of hiking because I'm out of shape. I noticed that when I was at Bryan the other day and took that little hike. Well, I'm out of shape, and I can't be like this if I'm heading out to New Mexico and Arizona and plan on doing some very cool hikes out there. So this is me out trying to get ready. I believe I've got all the gear set now. Just a couple of more things I'm getting to make sure, but I've got the majority of the gear. And as you can see behind me, things are finally starting to get green here in Ohio as I walk along. So yeah, be out on a little hike. Check back in a few minutes. This is called Steamboat Rock. And I just can't figure out where it came from. It's just in the middle of the Little Miami River. You can see all the cliffs on that side that are a long way away. If we come back over here, you can see the cliffs up here that are quite a bit away. So where it came from and why it's sitting right there, I don't know. I don't know if anybody knows. So I've hit some pretty cool little spots so far on the walk. I know I haven't gone very far. I forgot to turn on my map, my walk, before I came out. And for a little while there were quite a few people in the spots where I was. But now it's kind of opened up just a little bit. And it's really beautiful out here. Take a look at some of the flowers that are starting to grow. A lot of vegetation starting to come up here. Beautiful day out in Clifton Gorge and John Bryan. So I'll continue my walk here for a little bit, trying to keep getting more in shape. Hey folks, thank you.
You're welcome.
How you doing today?
You're just perfect.
I know, it's beautiful out here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Always finding nice people out on the trail out here. People just love getting out here. Hey there.
I don't know. That thing though, like I'm trying to